Quincy, give me that whiskey bottle. I just caught you getting out. I caught you getting in the cupboard. Give it back, you angry little drunk. This is my whiskey. You don't even like this kind. Ah! You don't even like this kind. You like the Jack Daniels. You know? You don't remember? Hey, Quincy, I'm going to take you to rehab. I'm going to take you to rehab. It's okay. It's all right. Everything's good. This is just an intervention. I'm going to take... Ah! Quincy! This... No, give it back. I'm taking it. Quincy! You angry drunk! You give it back right now! Please! Quincy, I'm going to have to call the cops. I'm going to call the cops! Do you want me to call the cops? Yeah, I'll call them. I'm going to call them. If you don't give this back right now, I'm going to call them. Oh! You! I'm giving it one more shot. I'm taking this back. I don't care what you do. You can bite me if you have to. Ah! No! Give it back! Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I just bum a cigarette off of you? I just want one. That's... Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I vacuum the house? Hey, Quincy, guess what? Oh. Okay.
I take this bone. Quincy, I'm going to take this bone right here. I'm going to take this bone. Quincy, can I have this bag right here, please? Quincy, can I have your cell phone, please? Oh! Can I have these candy canes, please? I touched it. What are you going to do?
Quincy, can I please have Barney? Give me Barney, please. Come on. Give me your toy. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take the channel remote? I don't want to watch Animal Planet. I don't like that show. Can I have... Hey, Quincy, it's time to go to the vet. We gotta go to the vet, buddy. Come on. Quincy, my girlfriend broke up with me. What do I do? I'm so sad. I'm a mess, buddy. I'm a mess. Quincy, I don't want to go to school tomorrow. Quincy, I failed my test. I can't do anything right. We ran out of data this month. We ran out of dog food. Quincy, I think you're a cat. Yeah, you're a cat. Well, look at that, buddy. You went trick-or-treating, and you got way more candy than I did, so I'm gonna... Oh, what are you mad about? I just want to take a little... Ah! Quincy! That's not fair! You got way more than I got! Ah! Quincy, sharing is caring! Now give me... Oh, Hey, listen. You're an herbivore / dog. Either one, not supposed to have chocolate, so I'll take a Snickers. How about that? Okay, listen. How about I'll take a Smartie? I'll take a Smartie. Okay, that was not smart. You're right. Okay. How about a, nothing? Okay. Quincy, if you don't give me a piece of candy, I'm going to send you back to Jurassic Park. Now, how do you feel about that? If I'll send you right back to Jurassic Park if you bark at me. What are you doing? Are you just kicking back watching a football game? What's going on here? What? Quincy, what dog sits like that in the car? What's wrong with you, buddy? There's something wrong, my little man. Look at that. Quincy, are you real? What are you doing, buddy? That's weird.
Quincy, what dog does this? You're supposed to lay down like a normal dog. Quincy, what are you doing? What are you doing there? Quincy, I swear there's something wrong with you, buddy. What dog sits like that on the stairs?
Quincy, guess what? Christmas is only a week away, buddy. Yeah, I know. And guess who's gonna come? Santa Claus. Yeah, and the reindeer and Rudolph. Yeah, Quincy. And then we're gonna have ham on Christmas Eve, your favorite. I know. And then who else is you can get the presents? You want the presents? Maybe a couple chew toys? Maybe the bones? We don't know. Yeah.
Quincy, it's Christmas tomorrow! Woohoo! You know what that means? You get presents! Yes! Just kidding, you're getting coal. Yeah.